Okay. Hi, hello, good evening. And by the way, I'm Angelo Roque and I'm the marketing head of AA Food Enterprise. So, we're here at Gapan Nueva Ecija and our new business partner, Mr. and Mrs. Castillo. We're planning to help other people to create opportunities, especially doon sa mga located sa Gapan. So, we have a plan for this business, especially Bossing Inasal, right pa, sir?
Yes.
Oh, ayan. So, gusto namin magtayo dito ngayon. So, I think makaka-create kami ng another opportunity na makapagtayo kami ng isang magandang restaurant ngayon dito po sa Gapan, Nueva Ecija. So, syempre, kailangan namin na mas bigyan pa ng atensyon kung paano namin papagandahin ang aming serbisyo. But again, we're thankful kasi meron tayong Mr. and Mrs. Castillo na bagong partner. Again, ang aming provincial distributor sa Nueva Ecija. So again, thank you so much, ma'am, sir, and welcome to our company.
And before anything else,
Yes, sir.
okay, and before anything else, before we end up, syempre, it's a privilege na dito kami ngayon. At kung kayo po ay taga-Gapan, anong barangay po ito, sir?
Barangay Mabura.
Barangay Mabura. At kayo po nasa paligid lang, dito po ang kanilang event center, The Hacienda. Sila po ang owner ng The Hacienda Event Center. So kung dito mo pwede ganapin ang mga events na gusto nyo, like dibu, wedding, tama po ba? So,
Yes,
so forth. Pwede nyo po silang kontakin.
At we
Okay,
have
yun lang po.
ample parking space.
Okay, we have lots of parking space na
Inside.
pwede, madami, malaki ang parking space. So again, maraming salamat in behalf of AA Food Cart Enterprise. We would like to thank everybody, and most especially our newest provincial depot, Sir Jerry Castillo and si Ma'am. And along lahat po, maraming salamat po again. So, yun po. Salamat.